Wow. I look crazy. I be looking like a man. Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. So I'm doing something a little different today and trying out the new Ardell Magnetic Lashes. I have seen several infomercials on magnetic lashes and they were always very intriguing to me because I'm like, oh, it'd be awesome to just be able to plop it on and connect it at the bottom and be cute all the time, right? Because it'd be just so quick, easy, and fast. So when I saw these at my Walgreens, I was like, you're joking. I don't have to order them off an infomercial, and it's by my favorite lashes, Ardell. It's basically the only, I think I only wear Ardell and Kiss and another drugstore lash, I forget. But Ardell is mainly the lashes that I wear, so for there to be magnetic lashes by Ardell in certain styles that I already wear, I'm like, I'm buying this. I'm buying it and trying it out. I already took the one side out just to have them out, but these are the style that I'm wearing. And I think these are in the style 110. I'm not 100% sure, but I'm pretty sure they're in the style 110. Double wispies. And I want these to work really, really, really bad. Easy to apply, no adhesive kneading, and reusable. Gently remove upper magnetic lash from the tray and lay on top of your natural lash line. Step 2, gently remove under magnetic lash from tray and place beneath your natural lash line to connect the two magnetic lashes together. I haven't curled my lashes. I haven't put any mascara on. This is just my natural lash, my little stubby, natural, horrible lashes. So let's see how this goes. We're supposed to just be able to gently well, it's not. It ain't even close to my lash line. Now how the hell is, why is it doing that? Maybe I need to wiggle it around or something. Get it stupid loose before, I put it on my eye. It's loose. We're loose. All right. Now, how is that supposed to? Now, how is that? Is it gonna connect way out there? Maybe it'll go. All right. Now let's take the lower. Now here's the lower, and we're just supposed to be able to connect it. Just supposed to plop it on there. Here we go. Oh, no, that's not okay. All right, I had to have done something wrong here. Hold on. All right, let's do this again. All right, here we go. Okay. Maybe I'll move it over. Okay. Take the bottoms. Here we go. Oh God. Really? I mean, that's not even close to that's not. All right, let's try, let's try curling. I'm gonna curl my lashes. All right, lashes are curled. Let's try this again. Boom. Oh, come on, they cannot be this bad. They cannot be this bad. What in the... This is... Oh. Oh my God. Really? I mean, it's not even close. It's not even close to the lash line. Like, it's connecting, like, way out on my lash. Alright, let's try mascara. We'll try some mascara. Okay, I have some mascara on. Place, lay on top of your natural lash line. Place beneath your natural lash line to connect the two together. I'm doing that. I'm doing that. Alright, here we go. Laying gently on top. So that side looks good. Like if it, like, it looks, you know, this. And then when you try to put that side down, then this side comes up. I mean, I already know what's gonna happen, you know? I already know. I already know what's gonna happen. Maybe tweezers. Let's try tweezers. Lay there. Lay there. Lay there. And you lay there. Lay there. Motherfucker, this is stupid. Maybe if I cut them. Maybe if I cut them. All right, let's cut these. I've cut them. So now, I don't know why I cut the other side, but I did. Okay, here we go. Now I've cut them. So now they're, like, smaller. Can you see? They're smaller now. They're not as long. Because maybe it can just, like, go, like, on the outer part of my eye. Like, on my lashes. Here we go. Oh, wait, did I cut the other eye? I think I cut the other eye. Alright, whatever. Let's do this eye. Maybe that eye is just not in the mood today. Let's try this. So we're laying, this has no curl or mascara on. Gently laying on my motherfucking eye. Oh. That looks terrible. Who would wear these? Who would wear these? Alright, I cut them even smaller now. So now they're even smaller. Can you even see? They are really small now. Really small. We're just gonna go outside. Complete outside. Stay on there, you little bastard. Oh. What is that? What? What is that? Oh my god, dude. Oh my god, are you even seeing that? Is this real life right now? Oh my god, that's hilarious. This is so stupid. Do not buy these. Oh, well, there they go. Oh, there they go. That was hilarious. Well, what a fail that was. That was probably the worst thing I have ever tried in my 32 years of existence on this planet. I don't even know what I'm doing wrong. Like, I really don't know what I'm doing wrong. I really don't. Wow. Wow. Okay, so I had to put some mascara on just because I had to. These they're like a gimmick. They're like, I don't know. I literally was sitting here trying to go over in my head how to make these work. And they're just, these are terrible. Really bums me out. Oh, Ardell. Save your $14 and buy some good lashes and put them on old school way, because I don't know, you'd have to be a magician or something to get these to work. They just are not meant to do what they're supposed to do. Well, that was fun and made me laugh. Hopefully it made you laugh too, or at least put a smile on your face. And if you liked this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. I really appreciate it. And I will see you on my next video. Thanks for watching, guys. I just can't believe how bad that was. Like, they really sell these. They really sell this. I want to see the commercial for these. Because they are lying. Lying. Glad I kept the receipt on these.